Hi everyone, it's Sandhya. I'm happy to be here and it looks like my sound is low. I apologize for that, bringing it up. So today I am reading from the I Am deck and I'm going to play the Teal ZenTube. And if you do place a comment in the live and you're the first one to do that on Facebook, I will read from the deck for you. So please do comment and you can get a free reading from me. Be the first one. And I just like to remind you guys that if you want to come to the 1 p.m. Free card reading that I'm doing tomorrow, please re-register on the link. I had to actually place a new link in because the old link somehow is no longer there. So it must have been locked out or closed up somehow. And I had to create a new link for you guys. So please do re-register and come tomorrow. And I would love to do a reading for you. I really enjoy those hours. So that's really cool. I'm trying to see what, okay. So we have a reading. And we have we have 6 cards today. And it's actually October 22nd, 2 twos. That's interesting. I am thriving in all ways. Okay, now I'm just feeling really good right now. I am happy. Oh, this is the second time I've received this card in the last couple of days. I am a clear channel for spirit. I let my light shine bright. Oh, that's beautiful. I am guided by my higher self. I always make the right choice. And I love the lotus that's up there. Ah, Constance. Good morning, sunshine to you. I'll do a reading for you. We just got a reading for the full group, but I will connect with your energy right now and see what's in store for you. So connect with me. How are you? And where are you in Canada? I forget. Edmonton, I think. And that is in where? Right? Or a little ways away from there? Is that the major city that you're in? Okay, here we go, Constance. You're getting a full-on reading here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards. Okay, let's see what's up. I am abundant and prosperous. Wow. Cool, cool, cool. My body is in perfect health and strength. Well, that's always a great card. It's good to know that you're in good form. I am one with the beloved in my heart. That's beautiful. I am fearless and powerful. These cards are good. You're expanding this energy out to the world. And my reality is improving constantly. Wow. So let me know how you respond to those cards and if they're relevant for you. And I'm now going to move on to the sound. So as we're opening up to the idea of sound in the moment, let's also now, oh, I did want to read you what the number 22 signifies or is significant for. So let's do that. Number 22, and this is from the Angel Numbers book, 101 book, because it just feels like it's significant. The angels can see the positive results of your prayers, and they want you to have patience and stay optimistic while the final details are being worked out in heaven. This is an urgent call from the angels to keep the faith. So that's cool. Keep the faith. Have faith. Be joyous in all that can be accomplished and that can happen in your future. So thank you for responding, Constance. That's really beautiful, everything that you wrote. I'm glad that they are relevant for you. And you're in Alberta in the country. Okay. And that's in Canada, right? Yes, it is. Alberta is a state in Canada. Or is it a province in Canada? Sorry, I gotta get it straight. So let's now start to calmly move towards the sound. Let's sit back and relax and do some deep breathing. And while you're deep breathing, connect with your higher self. Bring the higher self into the heart. Ground into Mother Earth. And bring Source into the body. Through the body, feel the energy of Source. And in the meanwhile, I will connect with everyone and say, for those of you who are driving and or operating heavy machinery, please listen to the sound later. The sound harmonics will put you in a meditative state, and you need to concentrate on driving or operating that heavy machinery. So always do meditative things in a safe place where you have peace and quiet and you can go in and you can really spend the time in meditation. Sound is the same way. It's a great resource to use with meditation. And it's something that can raise you to a higher frequency as you're using meditation to help you clear. So I just wanted to also mention that for those of you who may have a pacemaker, please do not listen to the sound because it will adjust your pacemaker and you do not want to do that. And for those of you who are pregnant and still carrying the fetus at this point, you may want to check with your doctors and speak to them about sound harmonics and how that can affect your pregnancy state. You may just want to come back to sound after you've given birth to your beautiful baby, and then you can really concentrate on creating that wonderful creation of your baby. And there's always going to be a video that's available to you when you come back. You'll have like so many videos available to you. So it's all good, right? And I did want to tell you guys that I have put out a 3 video series on 5 benefits of deep breathing that I just wanted to tell you what other benefits you can receive from having a deep breathing practice and how to actually and if you did want to put something like that into practice, you know, there is such things as training yourself for deep breathing. And by first deciding what type of breath you want to use. And then in the morning, like you can regulate it to the morning, or you can do it in the afternoon, however you like, but at least for 4 or 5 hours in the morning at the top of the hour. For 21 days, you could do this, because in 21 days you develop a habit. And what you can do is you start, say, like on a Sunday, and you start with 5 minutes of deep breathing on the top of the hour, of the top of the full hour after you've woken up, you know, and done breakfast, maybe. And then at the top of the hour, deep breathe for 5 minutes. And then at the top of the next hour, deep breathe for 5 minutes. And the next hour, deep breathe for 5 minutes. And then the next day, in the morning again, you can increase it by a minute. So you're doing it for 6 minutes now at the top of the hour for every hour. And this can all be done before lunch. So if you do it for 3 or 4 hours, it's really great. And then you increase it every minute every day for 21 days. And so by the time you get to the 21st day, you would have been deep breathing at the top of the hour for at least 26 minutes and not even realizing it, right? And I'll leave you to watch the video so you can know what the benefits are, because I want you to actually see that, but I also wanted you to know that there is a cheat sheet. So in a sense of, I have it all written down, and I have some other information for you, but if you're interested, I will put a post in for an opt-in page where you can get the cheat sheet, but only if you're interested. And, you know, you can comment on here, or you can comment on my page and let me know if you'd like the cheat sheet, or you can comment on the video posts and just let me know. And I will post the opt-in page for you guys, where you can download it, right? So as you're relaxing and breathing, we're also going to bring in all your teams of gods, goddesses, angels, archangels, guardians, guides, ascended masters, bringing in your elemental teams, bringing in your sound teams, your light teams, your energy teams, your vibration teams, and your frequency teams, bringing in your starseed family teams and your galactic teams and your divine spirit councils, letting them be in the room with you, allowing them to send you love, light, support, guidance, and their thriving energy, and receiving the same from Source and Mother Earth and your higher self, and feeling that your higher self is actually inside your body, from the crown of your head, through the neck, through your shoulders, into your arms, your hands, your fingers, your fingertips, your thumbs, your thumb tips, through the body, through the legs, into the ankles, and into the heels, soles, and toes of your feet. You can also ground into the Mother Earth with your feet chakra by sending out grounding cords from your feet chakra, which are below your feet, the soles of your feet, and sending them into the topsoil through the earth's mantle and going deep, and then pulling in the love, light, support, guidance, and her thriving energy through these feet chakra, opening them up and pulling Mother Earth's energy in. Just allowing that. And you can close your eyes now and go deep as you're relaxing and allowing the sound to now relax you. And we're work with you. And as you're taking these deep breaths of oxygen and pulling it into your lungs, you're actually clearing out any types of mucus or debris in your respiratory tract. As you're deep breathing, you're lowering your blood pressure, bringing on better circulation, and allowing yourself to relax even more. Allowing yourself to release thoughts and let go of the mind, moving into the heart, bringing your ego down into your heart, and bringing up your creation energy from the womb or the testes into your heart. And asking Archangel Metatron to come in and balance the divine masculine and the divine feminine within your heart right now. With your ego, your womb and testes creation energy, and all the inner ages of you, bringing that into alignment in your heart, and allowing you to feel the unconditional love that you have for yourself, opening up to it, and feeling that move now through your body, through your systems, through your bloodstream, into your cells, into your intercellular fluid and your intracellular fluid. Releasing any aches and pains in the body. Allowing the deep breath and the sound to wash away any aches or pains in your muscles and joints. Just being. Feeling your energy moving through your body. going to say thank you to Source. Thank you to Mother Earth. Thank you to our higher selves. Thank you to our divine masculine and our divine feminine that are balanced in the body. Thank you to all our teams of gods, goddesses, angels, archangels, guardians, guides, ascended masters, our teams of elementals, our teams of light, energy, sound, vibration, and frequency, our divine spirit councils, our galactic teams, and our starseed family teams. We say thank you, thank you, thank you. We integrate all of these beneficial upgrades and good intentions throughout our day into all levels of our awareness for the highest good of all, in safety, harmony, prosperity, and bliss. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We are grateful. Jai Bhagwan Ki. Amen. So be it. And so it is. And we slowly come back into our bodies, wiggling our fingers and our toes. If you need to stretch your legs, you can bring up your feet and then do some ankle circles. Then you can put your feet down, and if you're lying back, then you may want to sit up slowly. And once you're in a sitting position, you may want to just ease the upper body, do some shoulder lifts, shrugs, whatever works for you, whatever you're comfortable with. Maybe even do some head circles, just to ease your body, your upper body. Taking some deep breaths now, your shoulders to the side. Feel yourself coming back into your body. Take another deep breath. And another one. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes. So I did give you some extra minutes of sound. I don't know, I was feeling it too. I'm like, not just 5, let's do more. Because I really do love to work with sounds. So, you know, I'm a giver. What can I say? So I hope you guys all benefit today from the extra, and that you really went deep and you were able to do some of the things you wanted to do, like seeding your dreams or even future casting and looking into your futures. And so just a reminder that tomorrow is the free card pull at 1 p.m. So you can definitely count on the daily live to be a little bit earlier than that. I don't want to run into that hour. I mean, I know today I'm running, I'm in the afternoon and I'm at 1 o'clock, but it's been coming in to like do them when they feel right. So it's usually now been in the afternoon that it feels right to have this. So if you feel differently, please comment and let me know on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Please do comment on my videos and let me know what works for you. And definitely have a great day today. And again, you will have to re-register for the free card pull because I had to put in a new link because the old link just disappeared. So, and then when you tried to click on it, it would say, this link is no longer valid. I tried doing that. I looked in it and I was like, oh, this link is gone. So I had to make a new one and put that up. So it is up in the original event. So all you have to do is click on that primary registration link and it'll take you through the link, and then you'll receive the actual Zoom meeting where you can come in and work with me. Okay, so I apologize for all that, but I didn't realize it was a dead link until yesterday, so my bad, and I hope you'll forgive me. So I'm going to say all of my energy back to me, all of your energy back to you. We are in our sacred spaces and places in time and dimensions, and we are disconnected. I am sovereign in my energy, and you are sovereign in your energy. And I'm going to wish you all a wonderful day, a wonderful afternoon and evening. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.